man, so we're at the farm store and came across this little guy who from his own school money he saved, and he's here buying six broiler chickens and some feed for his little startup. How old are you? You're 12 years old and you save your own money?
Yes, sir.
And you came here and you're buying your own 6 chickens and some feed. Why are you doing this? Why
So
at 12 years old? Oh, so you're doing it to help your mother with the salty. Very nice. Continue on the same path. Do well in school. Alright. And here is chickens coming. He's 6 chickens and he's only 12 years old and he's able to initiate this kind of move. You know, you have grown people out there who are not able to initiate this kind of move. Buy the 6 chickens, get the feeding. He has his little coop at home and he's going to school. This is going to be a promising young man, and know he's bright. Only bright children can do this thing. 1 in 4 of every Jamaican that you see on the road is a genius. But the system is not designed to encourage the geniuses in us. So, you know, just highlighting this little 12-year-old. Which school do you attend? Innswood High School. And you're making this move. Alright, you know, as you say, we're encouraging the move. Take care and continue on this path here. Be very bright in school and do well.